Karan Johar. Karan Johar was born May 25, 1972, often informally referred to as Q1, is an Indian film director, producer, screenwriter, costume designer, actor and television personality who is primarily known for his work in Hindi films. He is the son of Karan Johar and the acclaimed producer Yash Johar. Johar made his directorial debut with the blockbuster romance Kuch Kuch Hota Hai 1998, which earned him the Filmfare Awards for Best Director and Best Screenplay. His next two films were the ensemble dramas Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum 2001 and Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna 2006, which were both very successful in the overseas market. His counter-terrorism drama My Name Is Khan 2010 earned him his second Filmfare Award for Best Director. These, along with the several successful films he has produced under the Dharma Productions banner, have established him as one of the leading director-producers in Hindi cinema. Early and personal life. Karan Johar was born in Mumbai, India to Indian Bollywood film producer Yash Johar, founder of Dharma Productions, and Karan Johar. He studied at the Green Lawns High School citation needed and attended HR College of Commerce and Economics III, both in Mumbai. He received a master's degree in French. Johar started his career in entertainment industry as an actor. He played a role of Shrikant in 1989 Doordarshan serial Indra Dhanush. As a child, he was influenced by commercial Indian cinema. He cites Raj Kapoor, Yash Chopra, and Surat Barjayan as his inspirations. 5-6 For a time, Johar followed numerology, creating film titles in which the first word and a number of others in the title began with the letter K. After watching the 2006 film Lajra Thomadan Bhi, which was critical of numerology, Johar decided to stop this practice. Director Johar entered the film industry as an assistant director on Aditya Chopra, Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge 1995, which is regarded as a landmark in Hindi cinema. He then made his own directorial debut with the blockbuster romance Kuch Kuch Hota Hai 1998. The first half of the film centers on a college love triangle between an insensitive boy Shah Rukh Khan, his tomboyish best friend Kajol, and the prettiest girl at the college, Rani Mukherjee, while the second half centers on the now widowed boy's attempt to reconnect with his best friend, who is now engaged to marry another man, Salman Khan. The film became a major blockbuster at the box office and received mostly positive reviews from critics. Writing for Planet Bollywood critic Anish Khanna commented that Karan Johar makes an impressive directorial debut, has a good script sense, and knows how to make a film with style. It won the National Film Award for Best Popular Film, providing wholesome entertainment. It swept most of the major awards at the 44th Filmfare Awards, including Best Film, Best Director, and all 4 acting awards. Johar's next directorial venture was the multi-star family drama Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum 2001. The film starred Amitabh Bachchan as an egotistical rich industrialist, Jaya Bachchan as his compassionate wife, and Shah Rukh Khan and Hrithik Roshan as their 2 sons. It also featured Kajol and Kareena Kapoor as sisters from a lower-class family who become the love interests of Khan and Roshan, respectively. The film became Johar's second major blockbuster at the box office and received mostly positive reviews from critics. Critic Taran Adarsh commented that Johar confirms the fact that he is the brightest in film firmament. The premise of the film is simple, but it is the storytelling that deserves the highest marks. Johar's third directorial venture was the multi-star romantic drama Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna 2006, which delved with the controversial subject of marital infidelity against the backdrop of non-resident Indians living in New York City. The film's plot follows a washed-up athlete, Shah Rukh Khan, whose frustration with the professional success of his wife Priti's results in an extramarital affair with a family friend, Rani Mukherjee, who is also unhappy with her marriage to her childhood friend Abhishek Bachchan. The film was a major success in India and an even larger success overseas. It received mostly positive reviews from critics who praised Johar's departure from the directorial style of his first 2 films. Rajiv Masan wrote, "Few writers have such solid control over their screenplay as Karan Johar does. Few understand the intricacies of narrative as well as he does. Johar goes from highs to lows, from plateaus to peaks with the ease of a pro. He knows exactly how to turn a seemingly ordinary scene into something special with just that one line of dialogue or that hint of background music." Johar then teamed up with Boya actors Anurag Kashyap and Divakar Banerjee for Bombay Talkies 2013, an anthology film released to celebrate the centenary year of Hindi cinema. Each of the directors made 1 short film to contribute to the large anthology. The plot of Johar's film followed a magazine editor, Rani Mukherjee, who discovers that her husband Ranjit Huda is gay after an interaction with an intern at her office, Sagat Salim. The film did not perform very well at the box office but earned positive reviews from critics. Johar's next directorial venture was the romantic drama film Dil Hai Mushkil 2016, starring Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Ranbir Kapoor, and and Anushka Sharma in lead roles. 16 The film received mostly positive reviews from critics and was a commercial success. Producer main article Dharma Productions. Johar's directorial work with the exception of Bombay Talkies has been under the Dharma Productions banner, founded by his father Yash Johar and taken over by him after his father's death in 2004. In addition to his own directorial work, he has produced several films by other directors under the Dharma banner. Many of these films have become major successes, including KAL, Though Not Home 2003, Dost Anna 2008, I Hate Love Stories 2010, Biography 2012, Yet a Wagani Hai Diwani 2013, To States 2014, Hum Ji Sharma Ki Dol Hai Na 2014, and Kapoor and Sons 2016 factors. In addition to working as an assistant director on Dilwale Dul Hai Na Le Jayansh 1995, Johar was an actor in the film, playing the minor role of a friend of Shah Rukh Khan's character. Since then, he has made cameo appearances playing himself in films like Poem Shadi Om 2007, Fashion 2008, and Luck by Chance 2009. He made his full-fledged acting debut alongside Ranbir Kapoor and Anushka Sharma in a Nirab Kashi Apps period drama Bombay Velvet 2015, in which he played the main antagonist. Although the film did not perform well at the box office, Johar earned some appreciation for his performance. Critic Sariti A. Tanwar commented, "The only consolation in the film is Karan Johar, who brings a lot of dignity to the character of Kambatak, which is commendable since this is totally outside his comfort space." Johar is a single father to twins, one boy and one girl, through surrogacy. The twins were born at Israni Hospital in Mumbai. Johar named his son Yash after his father, and his daughter Ruhai rearranged from his mother's name Hiru.